When to use and when to use 两. Okay, this one is also very important. Okay, also two, the meaning 两 also two. Okay, normally you use for nouns. Then this one for countable things. Okay, example. Okay, when you want to say some things like nouns. Okay, 星期二 we won't say 星期两. Tuesday is a noun, 星期二. February, 二月. February is a noun also. Two also nouns. So when the wording is the noun, then use This is one of the tips, okay, to remember. 两 两 is like when countable things like how many cars do you have? I got 2 cars. 我有辆车. Okay, how many friends do you have? I have 2 friends. 我有2个朋友. How many bags do you have? 我有2个包包. So you will use 两 countable things, okay? 两 and